Good afternoon. I'm John Carter with Wixon Jewelers, and welcome back to 1 Minute Watch, where we showcase cool and collectible watches in under 60 seconds. Today, we will showcase a 2018 Rolex Datejust 41, reference number 126333. The Datejust is the archetype of a classic watch thanks to its functionality, durability, and aesthetics that will never go out of style. First released in 1945, the Datejust has spanned decades while retaining the enduring design that makes it one of the most recognizable watches today. In 2016, Rolex introduced the Datejust 41, a new generation of the classic model, featuring an updated 41mm case with a slimmer profile thanks to Rolex's new automatic movement, the calibre 3235. This pre-owned Datejust 41 showcases a timeless style with its combination of oyster steel and 18-karat yellow gold, a tradition started by Rolex nearly 100 years ago. The bright white dial is clean and legible with applied yellow gold hour markers that perfectly complement the fluted bezel and Jubilee bracelet. Often imitated, the 5-piece Jubilee bracelet has been a signature of the brand ever since it was designed for the launch of the original Datejust in 1945. All right, folks. Well, it looks like we're out of time for today. Hopefully you've enjoyed the information about the Rolex Datejust. If I've left out anything special, please leave it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more 1 Minute Watch reviews.